How do we get the bees in there?
So we gotta get the queen.
Okay, we're recording. I might move this to this side actually.
You have to take that out?
Yes.
So all the guys can fly out inside.
So we're gonna shake them in?
I don't know, what do you think?
Well, what she said is that she normally puts the queen in, puts it on, takes the box, dumps it over, puts the deep on, and leaves it alone for the night. So that would mean tomorrow morning you're gonna come out, take out the box, and put the house back up. You got it tomorrow morning out.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, boys, look out.
Okay, ready?
Yes. How do you take them out?
So just plop them down, right? Make them fly. Okay.
Did you squirt it first?
No, I squirted it earlier.
I think you're supposed to do that right now. Where is it? There you go.
Good leg.
There we go.
Can I see? I don't see him, Dale. A beer's on there. I don't see him, Dale. Really, it's hard. No. The queen bee! Where is he? Where is she in there?
She's in that little package right there.
I want to see! I cannot see in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to autofocus on it. Yeah, it's not doing a
Can I
very good
see?
job.
Where is the queen bee?
Okay, let's be careful.
She's inside of that package right there.
Can I see? I can't see her.
queen bee?
I saw her! I saw the queen bee! I saw the queen bee, Mama! Well,
You see her?
she's huge.
Yeah, she's the biggest one. That's how you find her. Let's see if I can autofocus on it. Just hold it real still. There she is. It can't focus because there's so many things flying around. And I can't really tell because of my netting.
So
Cool.
now I gotta get the
Okay.
cork out.
These are really fast.
So we'll make sure she's up.
Yep.
Don't slam them.
Keep it in your hand.
Hey, hey, hey. Noah, Lucas, Luke.
Stop.
Calm. Calm.
Can I see where the queen bee is?
Right on, I'm trying to get this done.
What's the nugget?
I gotta get this cork removed.
Why is there marshmallow in there?
Because the bees are going to eat that marshmallow out to release the queen out of her cage.
Like, you mean these bees?
Yes, yep. Because they have to get used to her first.
Marshmallows in.
Marshmallows in. They have
That
to
was
get
easier than I thought.
they have to get used to her first and the way she smells. And as they get used to her, then they'll eat the marshmallow and let her out.
Go in there. Oh, we have those bees right there. Oh, I'll help you, Uppy. There you go. See, one was following, so I helped him back up.
You ready?
Yeah. Here you go. Ruby. Oh, bee. White trout.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Guess I'm just getting ready to dump them in.
Dump them in, dump them in.
Want me to go to the back of the hive?
Dump them in. Dump them
I'll go
in.
back. You stay in the front. Stop. Don't fall on the hive lid.
Here we go. One was trying to fall off, and I hooked him back up. Go down, bees. Hey, go down.
Look, don't push this.
Gotta be careful so you don't push it, okay?
Down. Go down,
No,
bees.
go down.
They're gonna go down. Because they want to get to their queen. They want to see her.
Trying to get her.
What do you guys think? They're pretty cool. There they are.
I want to see. Can I see? Can I see?
Okay, hang on.